Okay, good morning, guys. I have a real quick edit to make on Unit 31. This question right here, 10 and 11. So I took the scale factor, which is 3/5, which technically should go down up here. 3/5 of 30. So 3/5 is the inverse of the scale factor. I'm sorry, the scale factor to the -1. And then the scale factor is 5/3. Because I'm taking this and I'm multiplying everything over here by 5/3 to get these measures. So if I do 3 times 5/3, I'm going to cancel that out and get 5, which is the measure here. So this is 5/3 times this smaller figure. So it's got to be greater than 1. This is an increase. Do not come in here talking. I am recording. Good morning. So here, to undo the scale factor, I have to flip it and reverse it. So I'm going to take the perimeter, multiply by 3/5 and get 30 multiply by 5/3 to get this, the perimeter over here. Anyway, that was the one I needed to fix. And then 12 and 13, you just need the coefficient of pi. Okay, good luck.